Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to dispute Zelle's transactions. So the first step is to review the transaction. Just log into your Zelle account, or you can access it through your bank's mobile app, and then you want to review the transaction details to ensure that it's incorrect or unauthorized. And once you have that, you can contact Zelle support. So just reach out to Zelle customer support. That could be through the phone number, which is right there on the screen, or you can use the email address. It's also right there on the screen. And if you don't want to use either of those two, you could use live chat through the Zelle app or website. And once you have them, you want to provide detailed information about the disputed transactions. Next, you can contact your bank or credit union. So if Zelle support is unable to assist, you can just contact your bank or credit union's customer support and provide detailed information about the disputed transactions. The next, you can file a dispute. So your bank or credit union will guide you through the dispute process. You got to make sure that you provide any required documentation or information to support your disputes. And once that's done, the dispute will be investigated and a resolution will be provided. So this process may take several days or weeks, or you just got to wait it out, and hopefully that's going to take care of the situation. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to dispute Zelle transaction. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found it useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.